Okay, I wasn't expecting you to get this correct, so don't worry, but let me talk you through the code. So if I press enter to begin, at the moment it's going to count every single number. I only want odd numbers, so I'm going to change this to 2, and I'm going to run this again. Let's X off this. Let's do it again. Boom. Okay, can you see how it's doing odd numbers only now? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc, etc. So let's go through this. Ignore the first line, that's just a simple input to let the person type and enter. Now I'm using a for loop. The for loop is going to count between 1 and 100, and it's going to count literally every second number after 1. So it'll do 1, the second number after that, so it's not going to do 2, it's going to skip it. It'll do 3, it's not going to do 4, it's going to skip it, it's going to do 5. It's not going to do 6, it's going to skip it, it's going to do 7. And it's simply then going to print out the numbers, I. So remember how a for loop works. It's going to take I, it's going to print it, then it's going to loop onto the next one. The next element, I, is going to become 3. It's then going to loop onto the next one. It's then going to do 5. It's going to loop onto the next one. It's then going to print out 7. So if we run it, boom, and there you go. Now let's have a look at how to display only even numbers. Okay, whoa. Okay, so let's use your brain for a minute. At the moment, for odd numbers, it's going to start on 1. Then it's going to skip the next number, which would be 2, so it'll display 3. It'll then skip the next number, and it'll display 5. How do you think you can get it to display only even numbers? Use your brain. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Pause the video, experiment, see how you do. I'm going to show you the solution in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so all I'm going to do is change that 1 to a 0. Now look what will happen. It'll go 0, it'll skip 1, and it'll go to 2. Boom, boom, etc, etc. So if I run it now, there you go. Now it finishes on 98. So look what I'm going to do. I'm going to do +1. Let's see what happens now. Now it finishes on 100 because it's saying, remember, computers count the 0, so 0 to 100 would actually be 99. So I have to say, add an extra 1, which will make it 100. Okay, you need to be able to practice doing odd and even numbers.